How to claim your MyLB Single Sign-On account. From the Linn-Benton homepage, go to Quick Links and click on Single Sign-On. Under the MyLB Single Sign-On logo, click the Claim Account link. After clicking the link, you'll be asked to provide your first name, last name, LBCC ID, and your claim code. You should have received a claim code in an email with the subject Single Sign-On Claim Procedure. The claim code is about halfway down the email, and you'll have to scroll to see it. If you don't know your claim code, you can click Resend My Claim Code, and if you don't know your LBCC ID number, click Resend My LBCC ID number, or you can contact the help desk. Students by calling 541-917-4630 or email student.helpdesk@linnbenton.edu. Staff and faculty by calling 541-917-4333 or email staff.helpdesk@linnbenton.edu. When you click Submit, you'll be asked to agree to the LBCC Acceptable Use Policy. If you accept, the next screen will show your username, which should be your LBCC ID number. Next, you'll be asked to select and provide 4 answers to secret challenge questions that will be used later when you need to change your password or if you need to recover your account. You do not have to use the 4 questions that are displayed. There are several questions that you can choose from the drop-down list. If you forget your password, 2 of your 4 challenge questions will be randomly chosen to verify your identity or to reset your password. Remember that your answers will have to match exactly, including spacing and capitalization. When you've submitted your secret questions, you will be asked to create a password. The password policies are on the right, and it will enforce those policies. Passwords are required to be a minimum of 12 characters long and need to contain at least 1 number and at least 2 letters. The password cannot be a previously used LBCC network password and cannot contain your username. Your new password will be valid for 360 days. Keep in mind that this will be your new LBCC network login password as well as your MyLB Single Sign-On password. The longer passwords make our network more secure. After successfully claiming your MyLB Single Sign-On account, you'll be taken to your account profile. Please contact the help desk if any of the information seen here is inaccurate. Enter a mobile number into your profile. This will allow us to verify your identity and send a code to your cell phone if you ever forget your password. A verification number will be sent once you enter and submit your mobile number. Enter the verification number into the provided field on the pop-up so that we can verify that we have the correct number. At this point, you can close the window. You have successfully claimed your MyLB Single Sign-On account. After successfully claiming your Single Sign-On account, you will have access to what we refer to as the MyLB Single Sign-On portal. Do not bookmark this link. There's extra information in the URL that will not allow the system to authenticate your account properly. A link to the MyLB Single Sign-On portal can be found under the quick links on the LBCC campus webpage.